Okay, now we are going to reset the smart lock system. Firstly, you need to slide up the screen, and here we have a really small holes. Use a wood stick to press and hold for like 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, now you can hear sound, and then you point this one to confirm. Okay, we get it done, and then we slide back the screen. Okay. And now the smart lock is reset. Now we need to input the administrator password. Okay, wake up the screen and then push here and here. Now we input a 6 to 8 digital password. For example, and then we do it again. So number 1 is connect to your phone. Okay, now we take our phone.
10000.
Okay, we use this app named Tuya Smart. Okay, we download this app. We go in and then press this add device. Now he's searching. Okay, now he found this one. The point. Wait for it. Okay, now confirm. Done. So now we add the smart lock, and you can hear the sound from here. So this way you can unlock the door. Okay.
填掉成员密码。
Okay, now we need to input the members point here and this one. 不是这个吧？
这添加成员也可以说一下。
So this one is to add the family members, names, something like that. Okay. So I already have one, so I point here. So we can add fingerprint, passcode, car, and face. Okay, now we do it step by step. For example, point here. So you put your finger, or you can pick any fingers you want. 1, 6 times. And you can use. Okay, now confirm, so you can pick which finger you use. For example, my left thumb. And okay. Okay, now add the code. You can input here or random. For example, this code. Okay. Code name. You can set Jim. Okay, so code have already set, and card. Let's take one card. There is. I will put the card here. Wait for. Okay, confirm. Also change your name. And then okay. And then last one, car, face. Add it. Now go to here. Okay. Also input the name. Use everything we have already input. Finger, code, card, and face. Okay, now first. Try again. Okay. Okay.
密码
finger.
因为我
Okay,
有
now
对
password.
OK，
And car. Okay.
推一下。OK，
So now we're going to set the language of your smart lock. Point this smart lock and then more. We can find lock language and English. Okay. You can hear success, which means confirm.
OK，
Oh, we connect to the Wi-Fi.
finger
Finger 吗？
都可以，都可以。OK， 都可以。
哇，它又变了。
一样的，一直都是问。
And then we point this one. 是吗？
对，一
A device. Okay. Now we find camera and lock. And the lock Wi-Fi.
嗯
Point here. Set now. When shared. While using app. Okay, you need to input your Wi-Fi name and the passcode of your Wi-Fi, and make sure it's 2.4 GHz, not the 5G. Okay, now next. Confirm and proceed. Confirm. And
Easy mode.
Easy mode. Now wait for like 30 seconds. Okay, you can change the name or whatever you want, and done. So now you can use the Wi-Fi. Even you are not at home, even you are staying in your office, you can still use Wi-Fi like agree.
OK，
For example, if someone come here, ring the bell.
就让你要加快，踩点拿钱，我加快钱。10几秒，那就了。
See, here has a notice, so you point. And push here. Then you can see and hear the sound. Then you can open.
OK，
If this smart lock power off and you cannot open it, you can also use this.
旋转一下。对
Here you can use a power
Taxi.
bank to charge it.
OK。